In this video, we will go step by step through creating an assembly and checking an interference detection. We will create new assembly, insert parts, apply mate features, check interference detection. Then we will edit the part within the assembly and recheck and compare interference as the part of analysis. Let's create a new assembly. Click Insert Components in Toolbar. Search and select the part you want to insert into assembly, then click Open. Click green mark or OK to insert the selected part. This will automatically fix the part in the origin of the assembly. Now, repeat the previous step to insert the second part as shown. But this time do not click OK. Just position the part in the graphic area, in this case in the left side of the water filter. Click Mate in Toolbar and select cylindrical faces of both parts as shown and apply concentric mate. And repeat it to apply second concentric mate. Be careful and select the right faces. Again, click Mate in Toolbar and select Apply Coincident Mate Type. If needed, position the parts so you can select the targeted faces of the parts easily. Now let's check for interference. Go to the Evaluate tab and select Interference Detection. Check if Right Assembly is selected under Selected Components, and click Calculate to begin the interference calculation. Check the interference values under Results and note them for later comparison. Optionally, enable Make Interfering Parts Transparent under Options. This makes it easier to see the interfering points or surfaces. Now let's edit the water filter line connector within the assembly. Right-click the part and select Edit Part. The part is now activated for editing. Right-click the part again and select Change Transparency. To make the part transparent, this helps make editing easier. Expand the Feature Manager design tree of the activated part and create a sketch on front plane, as shown. Go to Features tab and create Revolved Cut. Apply the Mirror feature to create the revolved cut on the other side. Select the parts, right plane under Mirror Face or Plane. See, Cut Revolved is created on both sides. Now exit Edit Part mode by clicking Edit Component in the Features tab on the toolbar. Now let's recheck interference detection. Go to the Evaluate tab and click Interference Detection. Make sure the assembly is selected, then click Calculate to start the interference calculation. Notice that the interference values are much lower than before. That's it, save your assembly and you're done. Thanks for watching.